Hey guys, back with another iPhone 16 Pro video. This works with all iPhones actually, but the 18.2 iOS has just come out. So for this new software release, I'm going to show you guys how to update your software. Now, this is something that you might want to just do regularly, but this specific video is because the new 18.2 came out. All right, let's go ahead and start. So basically what we're going to want to do is go to settings. Once we get to settings, we're going to go to general. And when we get to general, you'll see it says software update. So when you go to software update, and this is up to you. I just want you to notice that automatic updates, it's on right now. But then if you have an older phone, I would recommend turning that off because sometimes the new iOS updates do make your phone slower. So if you have like an iPhone 11 or something, you might not want to switch, and you don't have AI anyways. So the reason why I want to upload this or download this 18.2 is because of some of the new Apple Intelligence features that it comes with. So like I said, all you have to do is go to General, Software Update, and then we're going to go ahead and just go ahead and push update now. Go ahead and put in your little code. So I put in my code, and as easy as that, it should be downloading now. Now, as you can see, it says update requested. This depends on your Wi-Fi. And so if you have really good Wi-Fi, the speed is going to be a lot faster. About 5 minutes remaining. So we're going to go ahead and let it upload. All right, we got about 2 minutes left. 1 minute left. 1 minute remaining. Is it really gonna be 1 minute? It's 4:18 right here. Let's see. And just read for you. I can say, this update introduces new features powered by Apple Intelligence, the personal intelligence system that unlocks powerful new ways to communicate, work, and express yourself, all while protecting your data with an extraordinary step forward for privacy and AI. Does AI mean Apple Intelligence or just artificial intelligence? New features include Image Playground, which lets you create delightful, fun images, Genmoji to create original emoji to share with the family and friends. ChatGPT support integrated right into, it's connected with ChatGPT. Now that is a separate company, OpenAI. But anyways, ChatGPT support integrated right into Siri and writing tools and more. This release also includes visual intelligence with camera control, enhancements to mail, photos, Safari, and other features, bug fixes, and security updates for your iPhone. All right, I went ahead and read all this stuff for you, so now you don't have to read it. You just have to listen to me blabber. All right, there we go. Wait, let's see. It says, install now or later. I'm going to go ahead and push install now because maybe you're working with your phone or something and you can't be bothered. But now it's checking for updates. As you can see, checking for updates. And let's see what happens next. There we go. Okay, so let's let it load. All right, and it's restarting all over again, uploading. So this is the second time it's reloading. So if that happens to your phone, don't worry. All right, so it's set up now. It's 18.2. I'm going to verify that by going back to settings, and then we're going to go to general again, and we're going to check out about the iOS is 18.2. All right, so that's pretty much it for this one. Like I said, you can often go back and see software update under the general menu setting, and make sure you're up to date. I mean, I would do some research to verify if you have an older phone, an older iPhone, if it's worth, setting up to the newest, because it could actually be too much for your phone to handle, and then make it slower and not function as well. So when I go to software update, it says 18.2. I'm up to date. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, or I hope it worked out for you. Please like or comment below. I really appreciate that.